Attention homeowners, are you tired of dealing with pesky pests invading your home? Ready to learn the art of pest prevention and keep your home pest-free? Let's dive in. First, avoid mopping the edges for 7-10 days after treatment to ensure its effectiveness. This ensures the treatment remains effective. Spider webs bothering you? Knock them down after 7 days so spiders can be exposed again and the treatment can work. Seal those gaps and cracks to block pest entry points and keep them out. Next, our treatment is non-repellent, meaning pests won't detect it. Cockroaches and ants unknowingly spread it, killing entire colonies effectively. Remember, no warranties for ants, but use ant cafes as a backup measure. Keep cleanliness a priority. Seal food and minimize crumbs to deter pests. Gel in cupboards prevents pest reproduction and keeps your kitchen safe. For flies, we've placed bait around windows, lasting 6 weeks, often controlling flies year-round. Yard maintenance is crucial. Trim trees and tidy up to reduce pest perches and habitats. Lastly, scan the QR code under your sink for quick contact and advice. Satisfied with our service? Please refer us to your friends or leave a review online. Thank you for choosing Slugabug. We appreciate your trust. Hello again and welcome to the next chapter of our guide to maintaining a pest-free home. In this segment, we'll delve even deeper into advanced tips that can make a significant difference in your pest control efforts. First, let's talk about moisture control. Pests thrive in damp environments, so it's essential to fix any leaks in your plumbing and ensure proper ventilation in areas like basements and attics. Dehumidifiers can be a great investment to keep humidity levels low. Next, consider using physical barriers. Installing door sweeps and window screens can prevent insects from entering your home. Additionally, using weather stripping around doors and windows can seal off any tiny gaps that pests might use as entry points. When it comes to outdoor maintenance, it's not just about trimming trees. Ensure that your gutters are clean and free of debris to prevent water accumulation, which attracts pests. Also, consider using gravel or rock instead of mulch, as mulch can provide a breeding ground for insects. For those particularly persistent pests, pheromone traps can be an effective solution. These traps use synthetic pheromones to lure pests in and can help monitor and reduce pest populations. Lastly, we recommend conducting regular inspections of your home. Look for signs of pest activity such as droppings, gnaw marks, or unusual odors. Early detection is key to preventing infestations from becoming severe. Remember, a proactive approach to pest control is the best way to ensure a safe and comfortable living environment. If you need additional assistance or have any questions, don't hesitate to scan the QR code under your sink for quick contact and advice. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on living pest-free with Slugabug.